This video is introducing PO16 Factory, a pocket-sized battery-powered lead synthesizer by Teenage Engineering and Cheap Monday. It features 15 synthesis sounds plus 1 micro drum machine. Let's live record a pattern. It features a 16-step pattern sequencer with 16 independently chainable patterns. It has 2 tweakable parameter locks for each sound, as well as note pitch and note length, all adjustable per step. Similar to PO14 Sub, it has 16 different punch-in play styles, as well as a global effect layer with 16 different effects. Play styles can be added by holding key and pressing any key 1 to 16. Add effects in the same way by holding the style key and pressing 1 to 16. Sound 16 is a micro drum machine with 16 samples available in addition to the lead sounds. Here are some example patterns from PO16 Factory. That's it for PO16 Factory. Thank you for watching.